My name is Brian Kayongo through Concept Real Estate. I just want today to teach you about categories of real estate in America, because I know all of you, every time you ask yourself, what are the categories in real estate in America? The first thing which I'll tell you, when I say a structure in America in real estate, nganda bechizime soka na ekitundu ne ngamba kiri mutendera kiri ku class ki wabera nga wogama omuntu waba traveling atambula business class ne economy and all that. Kakati ne real estate abeera ke bizimbe muno tunu ekizimbe no gamba kino, this is a class A building, this is a class B and class C building. Ekizimbe ekyo omutendera gwe bakizimbiddeko standards ze bakizimbiddeko lwaki tukiyita A, B, C. Those are different classes, even up to D class buildings. So nemba nyonyola ekintu mbuno woba otegedde emitendera standard engeri bazimbyemu ekyo ekizimbe siwe kikoma real estate, because njagala mutegere real estate muno omuntu abagambye okay, you are going to invest in real estate, otegedde muno ebizimbe bibeeramu ne classes level standard weba bizimbidde naye kakati what kind of real estate do people do nga batemaze otegera emitendera? Tulina commercialization, wogamba malls nga no mu Uganda tulina za arcade and all that stuff. Waliwo ogamba hospitality ne tugamba muno osobola ogula hoteli nebeera mbuno it's your real estate investment. Osobola ogula nursing homes, like me, I'm investing in nursing homes, assisted living, rehab facilities. That is another form of what? Investment in real estate. But it is even part of business. And we partner with so many people. Abatali, like in America, you know what? I know you're already managing a healthcare business. What other forms of investment attaching to your healthcare? Utujira mu nursing homes and assisted livings. So no jere no mutendero mulala mbuno, you can buy land and hold land in different parts of the state. Right now recently mubadde mulaba so many billionaires in the world bagula farmland. That is another form of investment. We started buying farmland like long time ago and people are like, why are you buying that? But now people are starting even to just catch up with the trend. That is you partnering with the, specialized people abantu balina expertise okubeera nga basobola okulabira things, trends which are coming up before even abantu abazirabira no partnering nabo. So abantu bonna bali connected nafa abamu bafuna omukisa ogutandika naga, oh, you know what, katandike naffe ku investing amu ekyo, because buli obeera early to the investment, it gives you an edge compared to abantu abajja after. So abantu kati right now we batandise okola ku mawulire aga buli omu investing mu farmland, now they are buying that. So that is another form of real estate I just want to outline for you. Ekirala, apartment complexes, abamu bagula single family houses nga nyumba omuntu agenda gisula mu individual yet agenda gipangisa agamba nyumba yange nga ya buntu ya family, like a family house, something like that. That will be like a single family house, or a multiple family house whereby there are 4-bedroom apartments, something like that. So those are all different categories of what? Real estate. Iro omuntu wakubuza naye kakati waliwo nekituita warehouses. Gwe omuntu nga gwagenda okujja ku investing mu real estate olina okugamba what is your niche, because we are not tosobola bikola. Olina okubeerako neki. Nze ngamba abantu most of the times kintu kiri as simple as you can hear it. I invest in something kyempulira newonza okusa ekiro oba newonza okusa kusameka ngenda kubeera excited okukyogerako. Wombuza ku assisted livings, I will tell you everything about it, because like day by day I know about it. Wombuza ku multiple family houses, day by day I do, because that is my niche. Wombuza ku apartment complex, day by day that is my niche. Wombuza ku small boutique complexes, that day by day that's what I know. Ochegera. So you know kufuna niche yo not abera too expanded, whereby if something comes out in a new market, like you look at 2019 2020 when COVID was here, the warehouse, we had a surge for warehouses whereby like everyone was demanding for that. But then you reach a period like, is it the same demand right now? Imagine if you had stretched out yourself so much into that. How would you, or you know kubango, or you ready to collectively get more information how it affects your particular what? Category of real estate you agalo kubeeramu. So, chenjagalo babulira mbuno like have a niche, you're specifying amunga wemba nyonyode omanye mbuno nze nkola ku kino ne kino, one or two things, niches mu real estate categories yoyagala obeeramu nga nabogedde muno name ezo niches oba choosing nze ngamba muno is a single family house. Single family house erimu classes of standards how it was built. A, B, C, D. Mbadde njagala banyonyolako abantu buli kaseera baba beebuuza muno, what does it take okuinvestinga mu real estate mu America? Kintu kyangu nnyo. America kingendo soko okwogera is a capitalistic economy. Anyone can own a company. You don't have to be an American to own a company. It's the same as to own real estate. You can come to America, partner with companies like us. We can help you through the process. You can invest with us together, or you can invest for yourself, whereby we'll help you in the steps which are involved in okolachi or investing in real estate in America. It's not even so much complex or investing in America. Ekintu ekisoka mu real estate, lwaki ekintu kino kyangu nnyo, sagala abantu bachi overthinking eko. Ekisoka wo bugeno ku real estate capital yasoka. That's why enough for laba tukola real estate, but always tubeera tunukinga abantu abali kusobola pataninga nabo tuongera ogula real estate, because oba tolina down payment egenda kugenda to the property gyoyagala gula. Ngenda ba example eri simple. Wemanja gula property yange ya mitwalo 10, netaaga standard okubeera ne 25% down ogula property mu America. Gemateeka ga America ogakolaga kufuna loan ku property gyoyagala. Obeera foreigner, sometimes they can stretch you up to 35%, but it's between 25 and 30% because it's an investment property, because you are not a resident of that country to invest into real estate in a residence. Toina programs sola ku supporting anyo kusobola gula property, but still there's new programs esobola kuyamba okola ki ogula property mu ANC ne percentage agenda kubeera between 25 and 35%. Ali musobola okubeera nga toli muntu omu nga mulinga group oba kibiina oba club ne mugula property. So fe emitenda tugimanyi n'amateeka ne banks ezisobola okuwa eyo loan ng'ogula property mu America. We are connected with them, we are partner with them tuziina. So that's why people bakwatagana naffe ne bajja ne batuula naffe ne batugamba, Brian, njagala kugula property mu America. And era bazze ne bagula naffe, they can testify on this. Bamanyi muno process we tugyogeramu naawe nyangu nnyo nga wenjogerako kati. Naye kisooka mu byonna is for you to have a plan to do it. Kitandika na mu birowoozo. Mwanyi bintu bingi nnyo bye twagala okukola naye tetulina ndowooza yabyo. Endowooza wogifuna mu bwongo obwo n'ejjamu n'ogamba njagala kukola kino, wekitandikira. Ekiddako okutandika okuputinga sente together n'ogamba okay, nze njagala kuinvestinga mu America because I want to diversify my portfolio. Ekyo nakyo it's another way lwaki oyagala okikola. Tokikola because oyagala kukola ki kugula property mu America nga we tugambye muno kyangu. No, okikola mbuno what is the advantages neze kikuleetera. Oyagala ku diversifying mbuno already oyina portfolio nungi mu Uganda, oyagala kuteekako ne mu nsi endala obeere nga osobola okufuna ku foreign currencies ez'enjawulo. So kyekyo ekirala ekikiriko ekirala kyangu nnyo. As long as you have a passport, you can own a property in America. That's one of the requirements which they'll ask you. Another thing, down payment. The other thing, a recommendation letter from one of the banks you bank with. Another thing, a certificate of good conduct. Those are some of the basics I can outline for you. Source of funds, because your KPI, how are you receiving this money from different sources? That is what they are going to vet about. So if you will be in Ango, be taking or be mitendera. Changunyo funa property. That we ambe na Uganda banji, naba Nigeria, naba West African, and different immigrants. Never funa properties muchi mu America. And also it gives you other benefits. Just kuogera ko illegally, because I'm not a consultant to give legal advice, but I can give you an advice on investment, and that's what I will stick on. So chovola bankwa advising that there is a great opportunity for you to diversify your portfolio as you're investing in real estate. So it is easy as you think about it and as you can act upon it to invest in real estate in America. And Concept Real Estate through B&A Okayong Ventures, we can help you with that. Thank you so much. Event here for Tugendo Tegeka next year 2024 Easter weekend 29th and 30th. We'd love to have you there. So njagala mutandika ku registering abanange tubasaba you to register yourself on time. You can go to our website theconceptrealestate.com. You can go there, register, buy your ticket. So we'd love you to do it as soon as possible. If you have any communication you need from us about getting to know more information about the event, so please ask us from there. We can get someone to get back in touch with you right away. Ekira chenjagala okwogerako location je tugenda having an event here fegena still to be in Boston again as we are last time, Boston, Massachusetts. So buy your tickets to travel as soon as possible. Twagala mutandiko kwetegekera olukungana luno ng'obudde temunagenda because emiyezi gidduka mangu. Ate naffe twagala obeera na mwe bapatana baffe. So as B&L Kayungu Ventures, we invite you again this year to be part of this greater event. So this event is going to be in Boston, Massachusetts. That's what I want to tell you. So be on time, and it's going to be a 2-day event, please. I want to explain this to you. Burunji fena tubenenga tuli on the same page. The first day always is going to be our tour, and also in the evening we have a networking event. And that's how we designed it, because we want people to network and build another bridge on another bridge. So the second day, again, we're having all these greater speakers who are going to be speaking about innovation, real estate, and business, and how you can scale your business from $1 to $1 million. That's what we visualize like, because our vision as a company, B&L Kayungu Ventures, is to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to become millionaires. So this is a step for us to help those entrepreneurs to become successful in life. In the evening, there will be a worship gospel concert, which we invite you all to attend, and it's going to be amazing. And we're going to have great singers from Nigeria, from Ghana, from Uganda. So don't forget, be there and attend. From B&L Kayungu Ventures. Thank you.